Mahubod.
O tanawa, mahubod jud Ma'am Lars. Sunatan.
Si Sir Daryl mo na ano din si Sir Daryl. Before ni Sir Daryl.
So we're here in Heinz. So now Korean. Nagplansya-plansya ang hair ko. So, Sir Don, thank you. Mula, Sir Winner, Daryl. Kami dito sa... So, na pagbasa? Yuka. Yuka.
Muli ka na kung dito. Nalisa ni Ma'am Nalisa.
Yuga na? Yuga.
Yuga.
Yuga? Yuga. Yuga. Kanang wala ka nabasa kay Yuga. So, maoto siya.
Yuga.
Kaya wala ka gibeng bang kay Yuga. Trust niya, Yuga ni siya. Pero Jeff, no?
Ayaw ko din. Sa talaga ng call. Ito yung mga revolution niya. Di ba? Perfect lang na tayo na perfect fair si Jack.
Oo. Tawagin ako.
Sige na.
Sige ito.
Excuse me.
Stop tayo.
Oo.
Kami din sa Yuga.
Kayo pang gano'n, sige pa na. Sige, magutang ko sa pito.
Bilang edit lang na kanina mga tingin sa taon.
Kung si Sir Patrick, same name, nakuha niya kayong card.
Tagal ng album ni...
Tapos di mo na jumba kayo.
Hindi man gud manumbag sa kuya gud.
Sige, sama na po.
Ito mo kita doon kami sa
Kasi pa ulit sa una, ganun pa na lang. Wala pa na siguro sa nila. Uwi na.
Ano, ano kayo? Ano siya? Ano sa talaga?
Ate.
Paano kita?
Ay, kaya ito ng Paulo.
Wala siya.
Sabi, sa may
Ay, takot. Hindi ko magtakot. Sige, dapat basa daw. Basta nila si
Pero
Jeff.
sa kanan si kaming tulo niya. Si Sir Paul na lang, ako na ito ba? Wala siya.
Basa daw si ano ni.
Ako ito si Paulo. Si Paulo.
Saan mo taro ka magiging? Gida ako daw doon.
That by this card, a kind of success one.
Ano ba mo?
This is not so much the earthly and nasty the relationship with or the recognition is something that and then also so they become materialistic kapag ikaw Sir Razel, sige.
Ako yung magunit sa card.
Ikaw magunit sa card. Ikaw magunit sa card.
Kaya ibalasa pa na ko.
Ikaw balasa. Diyan na lang reading.
Sir, walang lagi mo. Walang lagi ako.
Nagkakulog ka.
Tapos,
Nga, tagay kong tulo. Ilatag na rin.
first or
Kasi asa, pagpili.
1, 2, 3.
Kabalo na ba na?
Hindi ko na ulit sa ko. Pero nagagay po kong guide.
What is that?
Is... Ayun. Yan. Masaya sa akin. Ito ba? You seize today's energy to create your vision. There is much this one can do for you. It unlocks all possibilities for those you hold it. But give your will form, you must put in effort. Manifesting creation, this one will also require of the other souls, cups, swords, and pentacles. Dapat daw kung para makuha niyo yung mga dapat it's either the matinugon na kumuha, buwan, kung naan ni pentacles or cups and swords. The fire within the wand is restless. It requires the wielder both to feel it and also control it. The flame that is also the wand's element is the spark of creation. If it is taken away from you, you will be left with weakness and lack of drive or motivation.
So, mga first card. And then, what is
Ano
that?
siya yung karoon?
Seven of
Na, senior idol.
Eight of swords.
Tagal na rin.
Ito din po, experience.
Eight of swords means you can choose to see the truth.
Mm.
You feel as though you are back into a corner right now. Fear has made you unable to see solutions where they would be normally clear if you were able to be objective. Eight of Swords suggests that you are in a situation of your own creation. Powerlessness that you feel is not something that is real, but requires a change of perspective to live. The butterfly is not caged, for it can fly upwards. It may not be able to see above itself. If you let go of your fear, you may be able to escape. But sometimes this means you will also have to address your own responsibility and the consequences of your action.
Asa po na lang?
Ang sun,
Sun and the sun.
the sun is you feel joy of being alive. The light that it shines brings you clarity and understanding the truth, piercing through the darkness and simultaneously energizing with your life. When sun appears, expect love, success, and victory. Light is on your side. Nung ihatag sa siya, ihatag sa ayong card kay Sir Razal. Pagbunot og last, balansahan balik kay balansan na inusin. Transfer lang energy ni mo.
So, the sun, sand, and self-love. That's my tarot card reading. Diba? Sun, sand, and self-love. Sun, ace and wind, and cage of butterfly.
Kung ano siya,
Ano na? Balutakay?
pentacles din siya.
May pas
Meaning katong point go at
Oh.
Kung pentacles din siya, there
It
will be
means-
something great that will
And-
be coming. Pero kung cup niya siya,
There's something.
there is something emotion, mutap sa emotion.
Oh.
Pentacles.
Asa na siya?
I agree.
Na great things that will become.
Okay.
Pero let's
Sige, basta daw na.
read on sa amin sa Four of Pentacles. You're enough, you're stable, and you're safe.
Oh my God.
Your hard work has paid off. You've been rewarded with quite a good deal of resources. Knowing that effort took you for you to receive this, grasp onto these coins and hold them tight, fearing your loss. You've made sacrifices to get the state of security you've attained now. Forgoing things that may have brought you joy, you now have a strong foundation, so be kind to yourself a little. Just
Iban.
put panag sa sinusa.
Yes, tapos kuan, i-achieve dyan na ito ng pagka-YouTuber o ka ng pagka-affiliator.
The card resonates within you, right? It's your energy.
Yes. Thank you so much. This is, akong reading po last time kay Sun, Sand, and Self-Love. Enjoyment yourself to the for minti man ta yoga, kay di man ta basa. So, yoga. Makatawa lang ka dyan.
Natakot na ito kasi lumala ka na.
Ha?
Yung madugin ako picture of being alive.
Caramel dalawa.
Caramel. Bisa caramel. Ikaw dyan.
Dark blue.
Pussy.
Spanish.
Kapag na isa.
Spanish.
Candoli.
Spanish pala. Tiramisu.
Thank you so much sa...
Mama, hindi ka mamunod.
Hindi ka magkuhan, ma'am? Ang dark chocolate latte. Uy, mangulit ka after magkakumagkaon si Ma'am Lar. Mag-check ka tapos mag-match na dagi. Flash man? Isa naman po ang work. Ako na sa liman pa. Mabuhay naman kayo ako. Laiso ka, ma'am. Para nakuan.
Pero ang sabi, kapag natuloy sa kanto video.
Wala sa pare ko.
Nakita ko
Wala naman, size, parang size.